Hi guys, how are you? How are you doing? All right, so this one is about the cardiovascular system we talk about in the A part, that is the heart. Now this is about the vessel, and with the heart and vessel, we will also talk about the blood pressure. So I will do a little bit like introduction here, and then I will let my past me to to deliver the rest, where you will see not just me talking, but also interaction with the students. So it will not be just one side of the communication. It will be like a both side, like um, some questions, some answers. So I feel like it make the whole video more interesting. Besides students, the questions you might have, they might ask for you. So I think that's nice. All right, I will just get started. So right now here, screen share, that's this one here, share screen. So, so the circulation include the systemic circulation and the pulmonary circulation. Even though that's two circulation that basically connected in series. So all the blood will go through the lung and go through the tissue. Will go through a pulmonary and go through a systemic. So just a little bit anatomy that blood from the systemic go back to the right atrium to the right ventricle. Then right ventricle send out the blood into the pulmonary circulation back to the left atrium and then left ventricle. Then left ventricle pump out blood through the aorta to the entire body. And so you can see that this one basically is connected in series. So as we talk in the heart, that blood flow, the sequence is from the systemic, say the oxygenated blood back to the right atrium, right ventricle, then the pulmonary, left atrium, left ventricle, then the systemic. So it's all connected in series. And as you can see here, all the blood going from the back to the body, go to the right atrium, right ventricle, to the lung, through this pulmonary circulation, back to the left atrium, left ventricle to the body. When the blood goes to the body, it will connect in, all different organs are connected in parallel. So the idea is very much like when you think about the cardiovascular system, think about the blood, you think about you are operating a airport shuttle, okay? So the airport shuttle is where would you pick up your customer? Airport. Where will you deliver them? It could be the home, could be the mall, could be the hotel, could be the downtown, could be different locations. So same thing like in the cardiovascular system. That now we are operating an airport shuttle. You will need to pick up the customer is in the airport, which is in the lung. What's the customer? The blood picking up oxygen. So all the oxygen is on, and then you deliver them. It could be the mall, could be the hotel, could be the downtown, could be the house, could be the friend's house. So it could be delivered into different locations. Then your taxi, your Uber, or your shuttle is empty. So it's not, so it's very much like a airport Uber, right? Taxi, not just shuttle, because shuttle you can have one location to the next location, but here you only have, you pick up, just pick up, drop off, pick up, drop off. So you will go back to, after you deliver your customer, you go back to the lawn, pick up another group of customer, and then deliver them. So the deliver different location will be parallel. You won't You won't go to the muscle and then go to the kidney and then go to the GI system. No. When you drop off the oxygen, you go back to the lung to pick up the oxygen. When you pick up the oxygen, you go to one of these locations to drop off the oxygen. And along this circulation, along this shuttle, like airport shuttle system, we have three types of the vessel. One is the arterial. Arterial is the one carrying high pressure. So that's one. And also vein. Vein is the one that carry low pressure blood. And also we have the capillary. When the blood running through the artery and the vein, it's very much like in the highway. So the vessel wall is very thick. You cannot have anything exchange from the blood and the tissue. So it's very much like highway. You won't drop off or pick up any customer on the highway. So it will be in the capillary where we have very thin vessel wall and you have substance exchange where you can pick up oxygen and drop off oxygen. So in the lung, we have the capillary to get the oxygen. And then you are on the highway. Here is the artery that you don't drop off or pick up anything until you reach down to you are off the highway, go to the mall, go to the hotel, and then you drop off your customer. Then you go back to the highway and go to lung. The entire body's blood are flowing through the artery, veins, heart, etc. In this chart, one thing you need to know is that the majority of blood are stored in the vein. So vein has the capacity that its compliance is high. It means that the vessel wall can expand when we have more blood. So it's a region that is stored the majority of the blood. And the blood pressure is high in the artery, in the systemic is high, then go to the local tissue, and go back to the heart, go to the pulmonary, in the artery is high again, then go to the local tissue. So the pressure difference, systemic pressure, when we measure the pressure, we basically measure the artery. So here is the systemic arterial pressure is in the range of 120 to 80. That's the systolic and the diastolic. That's in the artery, not in the capillary, not in the vein. Because when it reaches to the vein, the pressure is already very, very low. Pulmonary pressure is in the range of 25 and 8. So that's the systolic and the diastolic pressure. And this is the vessel wall. I will let my past me to continue this lecture. All right, email me. I know lots of you, when you have emailed me, and if you do that, you already know that I respond to email very, very quickly. So I'm here to help. Okay. No matter what kind of questions you have, email me. I am here to help. And so far, everybody doing good. Okay, I'm very glad that it goes as I planned. I want you to learn and enjoy the learning and enjoy not just the knowledge but also the achievement, the grades, the points. And you do the part, you do what I asked, and study assignments and the quizzes, and even though you didn't know first, but you have a chance to learn and improve, then you get a better grades. And why not? You know, why not? Get everybody learn and enjoy the physiology. All right.